In this video I'm going to show you guys how to put a featured photos on Facebook on iPhone. It's very quick and easy, so if you didn't know how to do that yet, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. So first of all, click on the bottom right corner at the three stripes, and then at the top it will say see your profile. So just click on that, and once you're here you can see your profile and stuff like that. Just click on the three dots right beside add story, and again all kinds of settings, but we only need the one at the top, edit profile. Once you're here, scroll all the way down to the featured tab and click on add, and then click on add more, and you can choose for example this one and just click on save. As you can see, it is now added. So just go back to your profile and refresh. As you can see, it is right here. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helps you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.